What is OTracker? Simplifying the complexities of your business needs with AI services. Improve your reach to the right audience with an ideal IP tracker. Enhance your marketing and secure your site with a multi-featured tracking tool. OTracker is a one-of-a-kind location awareness and IP address tracker module to detect country, language, time zone, and the currency by tracking the user's IP address. OTracker allows you to set up regulations on specific countries. In addition, the tool will enable marketers to keep track of visitors from different countries. It maps IP addresses to a physical location and offers additional insights into the internet connectivity like the type of connectivity and internet service providers information. As a result, it helps businesses enhance the quality of their data and position their brand messages for better engagement. In addition, the intuitive dashboard allows users to keep track of visitors from various countries. The payment patterns and red flags of suspicious transactions, unusually top tips, and business deals. It also assists in identity threat detection by analyzing the suspect's browsing patterns and making human versus robot detection. In addition, the IP tracker tool allows businesses and marketers to maximize the efficiency of their branding messages to reach the target audience at various locations. Revolutionize your brand marketing. Build your brand with the information on where your actual market lies. Identify your customer base and grow your business exponentially with the OTracker Advanced IP Scanner. With detailed analytics on where your website traffic is centered, you can channelize your efforts to get the highest conversions. OTracker IP management software is an intelligent website tracking application that can redefine your marketing strategy. With OTracker's geofencing feature, you can run targeted campaigns in a specific area to build your brand positioning. You can zero in on your website visitors and their interests to offer the best. Make the best of what the latest technology offers for your business. With OTracker IP tracking software, you can increase your lead generation and boost engagement to enhance sales. Gain real-time insights into performing your website. Understand the more precise and complex details of your web traffic and maximize the potential of your business. Key features of OTracker: predictive analysis, generate user heat map, user conversion reports, schedule geofencing, accurate geolocation, user demographic reports.